My name is Roykrong Sukkerd. I am a PhD student in software engineering program in ISR. I am originally from Bangkok, Thailand, and I came to the United States for my undergrad education. So I went to the University of Washington for a computer science undergrad degree, and I did not do a master's. I came directly from undergrad to a PhD program at CMU. And right now I'm in the final year in my PhD. Software engineering is about ways that you can support software engineering activities across various parts of the life cycle of software systems and the software ecosystems. Since people are now live so closely with software that can make its own decision, like medical decisions or even legal decisions. So it is important that these systems work well, right? That it's not buggy or it's not biased in some ways, things like that. So it's very important that us as software engineers, we have ways to make sure that these systems are going to behave in ways that we think are good for the society, good for the people. And that's very challenging technical problems. So that's why software engineering research is very important right now. There are so many opportunities for us to improve the way we can write programs or the way we can create systems, right? Because as a student, you know, I use simple software engineering tools, like I use the integrated development environment to do a program. And within that integrated development environment, there are lots of features that can help you, but there were always some problems. You think, hey, these problems shouldn't be there, right? There should be some tool support to help me with this, but it doesn't exist. So it kind of appears to me that it's quite cool if you can study this, do research on it, and figure out a way to solve this problem. Even though my research is in one kind of specific focus problem area, but as a PhD student in ISR, you get to see the viewpoints of other researchers that look at different problems within software engineering, or look at the same problem but from different perspectives. So that kind of diverse perspectives of software engineering research is very unique to ISR and to the software engineering PhD program. Part of it, I think, is because I see that people in ISR really do different kinds of research, and they're all, you know, very important. They're just different styles. And it is also, I'm also shaped by viewpoints from my advisors of how they can see software engineering research problems in some problem domains where it's traditionally not software engineering. I see how much of a larger role software engineering can play to the society, to the people, and also to other computer science disciplines. So if you come to software engineering program at ISR, it doesn't mean that your work has to be something that in other places they consider traditional software engineering, right? You don't have to do things like testing, verification, programming languages. Those are the great things that you can do too, but they are not the only thing that you have to do. If you want to do something with machine learning, with robotics, you definitely have the opportunity to do that within the software engineering research realm. There are definitely a lot of opportunities for you to do that.